Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you part 5 of our previous videos on our washing machine. So today we came with the plumber to help us on the installation. So you may reach a point where you need someone, a professional, to do the other part for the plumbing. So what you see here, we have our washing machine almost waiting for the setup. We have two holes here for the drainage and then the power supply, and you're going to put it in this location. And you have the machine, to connect the pipe, PVC pipe. So what you see here, it's going to be a quick one. So when you get to your home, you have to make sure you get a central good point where you're going to be working with the washing machine. So this is a very nice part for us to start with. So this is part 5 on the process of the plumbing. So I guess this will come here, a small one. So let me pause this video, then I will show you when we have the plumber. I'm also going to be helping him on the installation. That's me learning the process.